Welcome to your inspirational stories and encouragement channel. This channel is dedicated to bringing you inspiring stories of resilience, faith, success, and triumph. Our goal is to inspire you, uplift your spirit, ignite your passion for growth, and help you to thrive and succeed in your personal and professional life. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey with us. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And now, today's story titled, The Joy of Creation, Why Slow and Steady Wins in a Crowded City. There was a small, humble workshop owned by an artisan named Elias. He was known for creating exquisite hand-carved furniture that adorned the homes of the wealthy and common folk alike. Elias had spent decades perfecting his craft, pouring his heart and soul into every piece he created. Each day, he would retreat to his workshop, where the scent of wood and the rhythm of his tools against the grain filled the air. One crisp autumn morning, as Elias meticulously carved a new design, a young apprentice named Marco entered the workshop. Marco had been learning the trade under Elias's guidance, but today, something seemed different. He was restless, his mind preoccupied with the latest trends and shortcuts he had seen online. "Why do you spend so much time on each piece?" Marco asked, watching Elias smooth out the edges of a chair leg. "There are machines now that can do this in half the time." Elias paused, a gentle smile playing on his lips. He looked at Marco and said, "This craft is not just about making furniture. It's about honoring the material, respecting the process, and creating something that will last for generations. Each piece I make carries a part of me in it, my time, my effort, my love for the craft. That's something no machine can replicate." Marco frowned, still unconvinced. "But wouldn't you make more money if you worked faster?" Elias chuckled softly. "Perhaps, but what good is wealth if you lose the joy of creation? The value of what we do lies not in how fast we can do it, but in the quality and care we put into each piece. This workshop is where I find peace, purpose, and fulfillment. It's not just about making a living, it's about living a life of meaning." As the days passed, Marco began to understand Elias's philosophy. He noticed how customers would return, not just because they needed furniture, but because they valued the care and craftsmanship that went into each piece. Elias's work wasn't just functional, it was art, infused with the passion and dedication of a true artisan. One day, after completing his first fully handcrafted chair, Marco felt a deep sense of pride and accomplishment. He realized that by rushing through life, chasing shortcuts, he had been missing out on the true essence of his craft, and perhaps, of life itself. Here is my encouragement for you from today's story, beloved. Elias's story reminds us that life is not a race to the finish line, but a journey where every step, every moment, should be infused with purpose and intention. In a world that often glorifies speed and efficiency, it's essential to remember the value of taking your time to perfect your craft, your passions, and your life. Whatever you do, whether it's your job, your hobbies, or your relationships, do it with all your heart. Don't seek shortcuts that diminish the quality of your efforts or the joy you find in them. The satisfaction you gain from putting your best into something is far more rewarding than any quick gain. Remember, life is about creating something meaningful that lasts beyond your time. Like Elias's furniture, let your actions, your words, and your work be a testament to your dedication and love for what you do. Don't rush through life. Savor each moment, each experience, and let your life be a masterpiece of your own making. Consider the time you spend on activities that don't add value. Are you merely going through the motions, or are you fully engaged, crafting something beautiful with your life? Like Elias, find fulfillment in the process, and let your work reflect the best of who you are. Live with purpose, and let every day be an opportunity to create something meaningful. Whether it's a small act of kindness, a project at work, or time spent with loved ones, give it your all. Your legacy is built not on the speed of your achievements but on the quality of the life you live. I hope you are inspired by today's story and learned some valuable lessons from it. Thank you for watching. If today's story resonated with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring stories. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Shalom. You will succeed.